What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's off to a good morning. I'm going to get back to making these videos and maybe go live one day. I don't know. But anyways, yesterday we had a crazy day in the market. I mean, it just shot 2,800 points on NQ, and it's just crazy. But this morning, if you look, I'm on a 1 hour chart. We have a big old massive bull flag. So hopefully we could break out of this bull flag and just push on up. And, looking at a 1 hour chart, there's resistance up here right around 19,800 or so. So if we was to break out and we get above this high, I believe, that would be somewhere we could get to. Again, I'm recording this, after the fact, but we're just getting into it a little bit here. So, but anyways, on this video, I am going to start trading. I'm going to record it every day when I trade, but I am only going to trade the 15-minute opening range, and we're going to see just, how good this strategy works out. We'll fast forward here a little bit. We'll get around to where the market just opened. Right here's my time, and 9:33. The market just opened a few minutes ago. And we'll go ahead and fast forward up to 9:45 and let the 15-minute range play out. And this gray area is a new indicator. Well, it's called ORB and Targets by Lux Algo. It's a free indicator on TradingView. I mean, if you don't have it, you'll just have to draw the lines horizontally yourself on any other chart. So we're at 9:40. We'll go on to 9:45. Let the 15-minute opening range. Okay, so the 15-minute range, this is a opening range high, opening range low. Now, what we're looking for is either to break the downside or the upside. I mean, I'm naturally a bull. I want the market to do good, so I hope we break out to the upside and just keep on ripping, especially for my 401k. But, all we can do is sit and be patient and let this play out and see kind of where it goes. And the safest play would be to let it break out, pull back and retest the area, or just pull back and then take back off. Sometimes I have played it as soon as it breaks out. It just depends on the momentum. But today, the market, it ain't really showing a lot. It's just kind of going sideways. So we'll see. I might be a little leery about jumping in it this morning. We'll fast forward a little bit and see what she does. See what she does. Well, looks like she's going to go down. Okay, so right here, we broke through the range, but it was kind of slow, so I'm going to wait and let this candle close. Make sure it closes below the opening range. She's breaking through. And I'm getting ready to enter the trade. We'll make sure it's going to stay on down. I mean, this is a, excuse me, I'm sorry. This is a good strategy, especially if you are new. See right here, give me a little signal saying that it broke through to the downside, but we want to make sure that it is going to go on down. And like I said, we're just looking for 10 to 20 points is all we're looking for, especially in this market when these candles are jumping, $100 at a time. We will fast forward a little bit. Let that candle close. Okay, now this is what we're looking for. Now, it dropped, it went through, now it's pushing back up. What I look for is for it to come back and take back to the downside. And we're going to watch. And I'm looking for it to this area to fail, and that's when I enter the trade. And I have entered the trade. It's just going to take me a minute to swap screens here. There it goes. Now we're just looking, for, 15, 20 points, something like that. We're looking for this area to fail. She's gone. Boom. We're out. 18 points. 1,600 bucks total is what I ended up with. And this thing just keeps on going, you know. But like I said, be safe. Don't be greedy. Don't try to hold it for the long term. 10 or 15, even 20 points a day. That is all you need. Thanks for watching.